On 1st of August, Lumbajong Youth Development Committee (LYDC) successfully celebrated its glorious 6th birth anniversary at Kendra, Diphu. With a vision to check and balance the all-round development under Lumbajong constituency, few like-minded youths of Lumbajong came forward and constituted a committee in the year 2015. So this time around, the committee had completed its 5 successful years since the establishment and celebrated its glorious 6th birth anniversary at Kendra, Diphu on 1st of August. The celebration was headed by Don Rongpar.
Siap keman ke lah hello. Kopi posing itu LYDC sengpon angkong ma. Oke lah hello nitum tame nitum kedam tang ho tame nitum Lumbajong hawa ma Lumbajong angkang along. Akisung akiboy dopik ku ajoy nesi nitum rasohut sengpon angkong. Kedam tang ho tame nitum nikan surina grepon nikan ho ma 2015 nikan ho tame nitum dak hawa cingku nangi mana dak hawa nitum development nangi pulo nitum tame dak Lumbajong along dak headquarter nangi pulo nasi dak konsil tame nitum dak Lumbajong along sidolo pusi nitum dak agriculture IP along sami nitum cingwai polo dak inut bahanya ke the geding ton nang cingwai dundo nasi cingwai rapet pe laso asong nitum ke seng nang ko kela hello tame nitum bang bom laso 2015 pe nitum nasi song bom bang bom lo non alo tame non nikan suri na heni lo tame non nitum 70 years ago non kar biang long autonomous council long edu tame tum Lumbajong hawa long ke ichet tame kaching khur usame apto anu tame awi nasi non la siam tulang ro hangsa ra pan tame nitu pempun alu tame tum pidam o
Samsing Hanse, ex-president of KFA, attended the event as the chief guest. Liton Singh Timung, president of KSA Diphu Regional Committee, Rakesh Ronghang, president of KASDO, Kaikiri Pator, General Secretary of Kaya, Khorsing Tiso, President of KSYO, Bhim Terang, UPKA, KUYA, KALU, and members from various social and students' organizations attended the event. News Desk report for Karbi Long Live.